Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So I'm here to talk something very personal today. I quit my job. Yes, I did. Honestly, it wasn't easy to say that loud because for the longest time, I thought having a stable job meant I was doing everything good in my life. But deep inside, I wasn't happy. Every day felt the same. Wake up, go to office, struggle, come home, sleep, and repeat. And somewhere in between all this, I feel I've lost my spark. I've lost that excitement which I had before. And one day I asked myself, is this what you wanted? Is this what I always wanted? I asked myself a very simple question. Is this the life I really wanted? And the answer scared me. Because it was no. That's when I decided to take a risk. Not because I had figured out everything, just because I didn't want to regret trying it. So I quit. And now I'm trying something new. Showing up every single day, posting daily, creating content, or sharing my life. And let me be honest again, even this is not easy. People may think, okay, she's just posting whatever she's doing it. I thought the same, but this is not easy too. Some days I feel super motivated, some days I don't have any idea to what to do. Or some days I doubt myself like crazy. And I also think, is anyone watching it? Am I doing this right thing? Or what if it doesn't work? But still, I show up. Because this time I'm not doing just to show up. I'm just doing it for myself. It's not for any kind of results. It's just for myself to grow, to learn, to become confident, and to build something that actually feels it's me. This is what I love to do. And I've realized something else too, which is very important, that consistency is more important than the perfection. You may see some of my videos are just bakwas, but I am still consistent for what I'm doing right now. And I'm so happy, within 15 days, I have gained 1500 followers in Instagram. I haven't begged anyone, I haven't put any stories, or I haven't asked anyone to follow me. My follower list has increased and I'm very thankful, and just because I was consistent, this happened to me. And I learned I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to do the best content. I just need to keep going. Just do whatever I'm doing. Even if it's a small step, even if it is 5 seconds video, or even if only a few people watch, even if it's scared, it's fine. Even if I feel scared that I'm getting just few views or I'm just getting lost, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Because every single day I show up. Every single day I show up. I'm becoming stronger than the person I was yesterday. And if you're someone who is stuck, confused, or scared to take a step to do what you like, you don't need to have everything planned. You don't have to. You just need courage to start it. It's okay to feel lost. Even today I felt lost. I didn't know what to post. Here I am, showing up. It's okay to change paths. It's okay to choose yourself. Right now, I'm still figuring it out. I don't know where the journey will go, where this journey will take me to, but for the first time in long time, I am happy. I feel alive. So yeah, this is me starting over, and I had break my 90 days challenge too. During my birthday, I had a lot of cake and I've gained 1 kg more. I'll start over again. Trying something new and showing up every single day makes everything amazing. And if you're on a similar journey, let's grow together, and I hope you guys love me. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
While rivers whisper truth as they flow down.